You are a businessman, or you are an investor, or you are a traditional marketing manager, or a CEO or director, or even an entrepreneur. You have a business already and it's running and it's making money, or not making money so much, or you get a big hit in COVID 2020, 2029. And now you're thinking about, it's time, should I invest in digital marketing? Congratulations, you find the right video. Because in this video, I will show you why and how you should be focusing, building your digital marketing strategies, and why you should be doing the digital marketing, so you'll be able to generate more revenues and more branding exposure and so on. Among you who are new, I'm John. I'm CIO and founder of VSHR Group 2. You can check it out in the description section to know more about me, but let's focus to give you more value. Why you should be building digital brand and how you should be focusing on making digital branding strategy and where you should spend money in digital marketing. I'm going to answer you in this video. You want that, right? So let's get started.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand here?
Number one is about branding. So you probably always in a spectrum on your country. Maybe your country, your company is there in a particular country. You have a brand, but you always need to remember, what is the brand today? Probably number one, number two, number three. If you don't invest in your brand, it's going to go down. You always need to remember, somebody will take you on, somebody will build this on. So branding is like an animal, and you always need to feed it regularly to keep it healthy. If you don't feed it, it's going to go down. People don't see it, people will forget it. Because in average, as a human being in now present time, we see normally around 300 to 400 brands in a day when you go out of the home, because and by communicating around and doing your own life. So you need to feed the money. And one of the things you do the branding is invest money on digital brand, because it's the way you can cost effectively, you can keep up your brand healthy and fresh moving forward. You can do a traditional marketing too, but based on your product and industry, you should be investing the right segment. If you need an advice on this one, go ahead and comment below. Let me know your industry, your company size, and your product or a website as well. I will be able to advise you how much you should be investing in the first 1 to 3 years building a digital brand for your company. Number two, you want to scale. Right? You want to scale your business in a particular area. Let's say you've been very localized in 1 city, 2 cities, or 3 cities. But now you want to scale your business to another cities in another country, right? So even you do an offline development or even do a digital business, you have to invest money on digital branding, because that's the way you can easily bring that new brand, targeted peoples to other cities and other countries as well too. And rather than going there, finding the right agency and work with you and doing an offline activity, and now is middle of the COVID, you are in a big trouble, right? You don't want to do that. So right now, doing the right marketing, digital marketing, can really help you to build your business and take it to overscale and easily scale up your branding to the other places of the world and other places of the cities or countries, wherever you're expecting right now. Number three, your digital marketing can really support your sales. Oh, now there is the point. A lot of entrepreneurs and business professionals think that, okay, does the digital marketing bring me leads? Yes, it does. It does bring leads. If you're in B2B or in B2C space, B2C bring more leads and closer, because your B2C product are cheaper, smaller, right? People think it's less consideration to buy your product. But when it comes to B2B, people are much more conscious. It's a company money. It's a big strategy. It's a big deal. So it will bring less sale, but you bring you also leads to. But however, your digital branding, digital marketing is not there primarily not to close your sales or bring more sales, but actually support your traditional sales model, because you will not be able to replace your traditional sales model, right? Your marketing can only do this as an offline marketing activities, but when you bring the digital branding and digital marketing, it can actually help you to sell your sales team much more easier way, show much more example, show much more branding, and show much more activities by using soft tool, and they will be able to provide. And now, because of the thing, they're doing a lot of online sales process. They're doing online meetings to bring the right digital content, significantly help them to close their deals or stay on very competitive in a deal discussions. Number 6, you can build audience. This is where it matters. So when you do an offline activity, people come to your events, they know, you get a business card, they're gone, right? So now you need to find them. You need to find their phone number, you need to find their email address, you need to reach them. And now you already said that one, email address. You already get the email address. Now you want to send it out some content, you want to send them the newsletter. So that's called digital marketing, right? At the same time, if you do the right strategy, build the right platform where you bring them in, use the content and provide them the right value or some kind of space where they can build something, or you could do some digital product for free that can really help you to convert and build your audience forward. And this can be your promoter, they could be a supporter, they could be your staff, and some of them could become your partner too. So this actually is opportunity of your this whole things increase a lot by building a right audience, and it started with digital marketing. And number 7 is also very important. This is your social media marketing. So with the social media marketing, which is digital marketing, if you build the right digital content, you can run campaign in any social media platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram in a very targeted ad to the right people who are really your decision maker. If you're doing a B2B sales, you can even target a decision maker or particular companies, and you can run the ad. So it will deliver to them, and they will be able to consider your product. And you're doing B2C, then you know the area, and you can talk about the marketing income, what are the main buyer, and you can run an ad, and you can close more deals, and you can sell, you can bring more leads too. So in summary, these are the 7 things can really help you out to build your company forward, and that's why you should be doing digital marketing. And if you're doing any digital marketing, you are having a particular problem, go ahead and comment below. I will help to answer you. If you're building a digital marketing strategies and you need help, go ahead and comment below. I'd love to help you and love to give you an advice too as well. So here you go. You got my 7 tips and why you should be investing money in digital marketing, because it's gonna help your business goal and help you to build the brand again. To be in summary. So what are you waiting for? Go do a digital marketing, do the right strategies. Feel free to ask me for help. And here we go. You are building your business to success. Take it to a success. All the best.